We'll walk you through.
How to use Base44.
If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and consider subscribing to our channel.
Base44 helps you create apps in minutes with just your words, and no coding is necessary. So you want to log into the website, and once you're on there, go over to start building. You would be prompted to log into the website. You can create an account if you don't have one, or you can sign in using your Google account. So in my case, I already have an account, so I'm just going to go ahead and log right in, and you're going to be shown this prompt here that says describe the app you want to create, and we're going to be doing that using the help of ChatGPT. So I'm just going to pull up ChatGPT here, and I'm going to type in a prompt. Write me a prompt for Base44 to create an app for a vintage luxury homeware marketplace. I want a one-word, simple, savvy title. Create a logo that feels luxury and friendly. I want an AI-powered search bar and easy upload tab. Each person's profile should have reviews and show their number of sales. A message tab as well, so users can communicate. I would like there to be a simple feed of recommended items that the user could be interested in based on recent searches. The user should be able to search by type of homeware, material, used, era, etc. There should be a simple offer button in which the seller has the option to accept or counter. All right, so I've just written the prompts, and I'm going to ask ChatGPT to generate the prompt for me. All right, so as you can see, ChatGPT is generating the prompt. We're just going to wait for that to be over and copy it and use it on Base44. All right, so I'm just going to copy the prompt. And paste it on here. Right. And then I'm going to click go. So as you can see on the left, the prompt is being acted upon, and this will take a few minutes, usually 3 to 5 minutes, for Base44 to create the app. So as you can see here, it says it's editing the product entity. It's going to show some other steps as well in the entire process of creating the app. So you're just going to be patient, and I'm just going to fast forward to the end of it just so you don't have to wait. And as you can see, our store has been created. This takes about 3 to 5 minutes. And as you can see, it has created Vela, an elegant vintage luxury homeware marketplace. So this looks really good. The logo is very nice. And as you can see, there are clickable portions as well. Furniture, decorative, tableware, textiles, etc. So just like that, we have been able to quickly create an app. And as you can see, there are also subcategories with the price listings as well. So if you go over to the top of your screen, you can also preview the application on mobile. This is how it looks like, as well as on your computer. And also all of these tabs on the top right corner are also clickable. So search, list item, messages, profile as well. So going back to the dashboard, you can see that we have a couple of customizable features as well. We have the data about every single product on your website. So we also have the review, we have analytics. This can show you all of the interactions you're having on your website, engagement, things like that. Domains is where you can customize and add a domain to your Base44 platform. So there's also the code. So essentially, you can edit the code or export it. But for this particular feature, you're going to be needing the higher or paid versions of the app to be able to export the code or to make modifications to it. As you can see, it says code editing is only available on paid plans. So at this point, you can also make modifications if you want some changes on the application. So in the bottom left corner, it says, what would you like to change? So at this point, you can type in whatever it is that you want to change, and automatically this is going to be changed for you. So the next thing I'm going to do is to upload a picture. I think I can just go over to list item, add photos. And as you can see, the picture has been uploaded successfully, and you can go ahead and edit the description. I can just copy some of this AI suggestions. Sometimes the AI suggestions are really cool, so I can just copy and paste it here, as well as the description. Just makes your work way easier. Price, let's just say $1,000. Select category, furniture, let's say marble. Select era, mid-century, and publish listing. And as you can see, the product has been published successfully. Once you're done and everything looks good, you just want to go ahead to publish. And click on publish app. If you have a domain, you can connect it here. If you don't, you can just go ahead and publish it anyway. And automatically our app has been published. So we can click on it to view. All right, so you might need to log in with the same Google account that you used to create your Base44 account. And, you know, copying all of the information, the API is here. We also have the code. And yeah, so let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Make sure to leave a like and consider subscribing to our channel for fire updates on everything tech.